This is Merenepal from Nyandarua County, Nangop Javin location. We are transporting some animals to Uganda. We have around 8 animals, 8 and dry cows and milk cows. So if you need some animals, you can see them. You're about to start the journey. If you need some animals, be with us, walk with us, order with us, deliver, payment and deliveries. Thank you.
In the heart of Kenya's agricultural landscape, a thriving industry is revolutionizing livelihoods, dairy farming. Dairy farming is crucial for Kenya's economy and food security. It provides employment, income, and nutrition for millions.
You can even start a small hotel, because if a liter of milk is retailing at say 50 liters, and you can use the same liter of milk to make 10 cups of tea, each at 50 bob, you see, that's value addition. Just do mandazis and some other maybe cakes and things like that, and you make money even from your farm as well. Alternatively, you can also link up with the institutions that are around you, hospitals.
Growing demand for milk and dairy products, the sector holds immense potential for growth and development. However, Kenya dairy farmers face challenges. Climate change, limited access to market, and inadequate veterinary services affect productivity.
Challenges lazima mtapatana juu usipokuwa na mahali utasource majani yako, kujua vile uta control diseases juu back in 2020 tulikuwa na actually 2020 after COVID tuligongwa na outbreak ya foot and mouth na ng'ombe wetu wakapungua juu ya ile kukufa wengine nini, but after then tumekuja sasa to learn how we can handle.
High production costs and fluctuating milk prices also impact profitability.
Is also another challenge. And then the price of milk. So those are the main challenges.
To overcome these challenges, farmers must prioritize animal care. Providing quality feed, clean water, and comfortable living conditions is essential.
Maziwa ishe, na next step ni kuwa feed. Lazima ni wa feed na dairy meal, pure silage. Ndio yani wa produce maziwa mob. Si unaelewa? So the next step huwa nawafanyia ni kuwapea maji after to feed. Then after hapo kuna ng'ombe maybe wako na uchafu, lazima niwaoshe.
Regular veterinary checkups and also vaccinations ensure healthy herds.
A farmer should ensure that the feed that he is giving to his or her animals are clean and safe from. We have things like germs, and we have things like external particles like metals. We have plastics, and we have things like wires and wood.
Modern dairy farming in Kenya also involves adopting innovative technologies, from automated milking system to data-driven breeding programs. Technology enhances efficiency and productivity.
It is divided into some breeds, the local and the imported breeds. And also we have the second segment that also it's divided into local and imported segment. As a dairy farmer, you also need to have a milking machine. For example, if you have 10 cows, it eases your labor, because imagine 10 cows milking around. If you are to employ farm hands, you will need like 3.
By embracing best practices, adopting technology, and collaborating with stakeholders, Kenyan farmers can unlock their full potential. This will not only improve livelihoods, but also contribute to country's food security and economic growth.
Of the industry, there are instances where you hear maybe products are coming from outside the country, and then the farmers are complaining. But there is not so much you can do about that, because that's politics in another level. Now, for the farmer at your level, you have to keep the vision of why you started the dairy business. And if you are having even employees, you make sure you train them on the right way to do things, because if anything go wrong, you come changing employees every now and then. Diseases are coming in again, you see. So some of those things then will make sure that we lead to your farm collapsing, yeah. And of course, other things like even an epidemic, for example, say abortions in your farm and things like that. Those are threats, and therefore that is why you need to engage a vet to take you through the ABCs of health to make sure that your farm, there is no disease coming in, the feeding and all that are taken care of, and your business is running well. And if there's anything that is going out of the norm, then with the expert, then you can re-engage and ask yourself, where did we go wrong? This is how we performed last month, this is where we are going. Then you are able to move together with an expert to guide you on how to move forward.
The future of dairy farming in Kenya is bright. With dedication, innovation, and support, farmers can milk the opportunities and build a prosperous industry. Investing in dairy farming is investing in Kenya's future. Please subscribe and share. My name is Jennifer Wambuga.